Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we are going to make Lebanese Kofta Kebabs. Okay, so now we got that chuck which we had bought from the store, and like I said, we are not getting the right consistency for the mincemeat, so I didn't want to bring the store-bought burger patties. So I'm just gonna get this. We cleaned out the chuck, and now we're gonna grind this thing to make our kebabs. Okay, so now we got the mincemeat ready, which is the chopped meat or the mincemeat, the beef. This is completely beef, no lamb or anything added to it. So we got one and a half teaspoons of sumac. Mix this here. Then 1 teaspoon of pepper. Then you can take fresh garlic if you want. Then fresh garlic, but I'm using powdered garlic powder. Then you can use 1 onion. Onion leaves a lot of water, so that is why I'm not taking an onion, but I'm taking onion powder. Here we go. Then we have salt. Mix this all together first, and then sprinkle it on the meat really well all around. And this is our parsley. Mix this parsley and everything in this thing. And this is the main thing for the Lebanese kebabs, which we're gonna do today. Okay, so then what you do is take all this stuff and just put it in your hand and mix all this really well and let it sit for maybe half an hour or so. So all the seasonings can go in the meat, and then we're gonna make the kebabs with this. Okay, so now this is the kebabs, they're ready. And they've been sitting down for a half an hour. So this is how we're gonna probably grill that in the house itself on my grill pan. So it's easy instead of going outside today. So what you need to do is take it, roll it properly here, and if you need some water, always put some water, and then just roll it properly on this stick. You can also take what do you call bamboo sticks, but those bamboo sticks need to be soaked in water. Always at the end, just close this up so it doesn't fall off. And there you are. Just roll it properly. So do all of them. For 6 of them we got right here. Okay guys, so we marinated this for half an hour, and now we got it all on the skewers well, and so we're gonna just grill it here on this. My pan is really hot, and instead of grilling outside on charcoal, I decided to grill it here. There's no time for that, so here we are. This is the Lebanese Kofta Kebabs. All here. Last one. Here we are. So what we're gonna do is let it turn around. This is on medium heat. Let it turn around for about 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna just flip them over. Okay, so now we got finished 3 minutes. I'm just gonna flip this over just like this. And be careful. And also the same way. All of them like this. Here we are. So now let it cook for another 3 minutes on each side, and then they will be done. So this is being cooking on medium heat. I would have usually got my big skewers. I would have made about 3-4 kebabs outside on the grill. The meat turned out to be really good, not very greasy. And these are Lebanese kebabs. They will turn out just right. Okay guys, so this is how my sea kebab turned out to be. Just pull them off gently, put them on the skewer here. Watch out, it's hot. There you are. All 6 of them. Oh my god, they smell heavenly. So if you like this recipe, just give us a big thumbs up, and this is voila, our Lebanese sea kebab. They're all cooked and nice. Let it stay for some time so all the juices flow through, and then you can just eat it. Okay guys, we are going to taste our fantastic, good looking kebabs, which is the Lebanese Kofta Kebab, which was with parsley. Let's taste this. Oh my god, it's just like one of our famous restaurants we go to all the time, and they have just kebabs there. So if you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!